Well, welcome to the new year 2025. I wish you a very, very, very happy new year 2025. But we have 10 predictions for 2025. So you must have seen a lot of videos for this Mulang, this Bhagyang, this Lagna, this moon sign. I also have had made a video already last year. I hope you have seen it already. But these are generic predictions and these will apply for all zodiac signs, all moon signs, sun sign, all Mulang, all Bhagyan. All right. So anywhere you are in any part of the world, these predictions will be applicable to you. All right. So what is the first prediction that I have? Now, these predictions are based on astrology, then numerology, which is 2025. It's 9. It's the year of Mars, and then prominent transits like, for example, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, then we have Jupiter also. So the sign of Pisces is very important. And if you see the eclipses also. So the first prediction that I have is which is already there around the corner, but this will get faster from this year, which is 9 to 5 jobs will die. So you can expect mass layoffs from big companies, because AI will be taking over many jobs and people, especially in the West, there will be this crunching of money. So you can expect that things will not be that easy, especially if you are NRI or you are having a business or you live in the West, in the developed countries. Expect financial difficulties, challenges, struggles, and therefore there will be massive layoffs. So just in case you see any signs of getting fired in your job, please perform well. Okay. Number two, when 9 to 5 dies, what will happen? Sooner or later, freelancing, self-employment will rise. So people will want to do something in their own terms. People will want to do something which is maybe not necessarily only giving them money financially, but also giving them, mental peace, and it is giving them stability, and it is making their life a better life, basically, rather than, just increasing your bank balance or stock or real estate. So therefore, you will see people will explore their passion, will want to turn it into profession, and they will take help of social media. They will have open their own website, and they will want to do things in their own terms. Okay. Number three, you will see people explore their individuality and their purpose in life. So if you are confused about what to do in life, then you will see that this confusion will force you to look inwards, and do spiritual practices and take guidance from some coach, counselor, or from some astrologer, and it will inspire you to actually find your own inner calling rather than just hovering around and doing things which everybody else is doing. Okay. So individuality and sense of purpose and true belonging will rise. Number four, this year should be a good year for India and Prime Minister Modi and the BJP especially. Now, when I say this, I don't mean they will win all state elections. I'm not saying that. State elections has to be dealt very specifically. But what I'm saying is, at a general level, at a national level, at Lok Sabha level, at the level of the parliament, BJP should be doing good. Okay. Now, there are two bad periods for the BJP where they will really face trouble, which is this year, 13th April to 25th of June. So these 70 days are tough for the BJP. You can expect problems. And 11th August to 12th of September. These 30 days, 31 days, 32 days actually, they can also be a bit troublesome. So except for those 70 days and these for 32 days, most of the remaining periods should be good for the BJP. And yeah, you can expect that, yeah, they can do better at a national level. Now, of course, again, as I said, it does not mean they will win all seats, but you can expect that at a national level, they will be able to, yeah, pass bills or get their way out. Okay. In terms of politics, we are not discussing here morality, what is right, which side of the spectrum you are. We are not discussing all this, but purely at a political level. We are discussing this. Okay, so of course, this could mean that BJP can also do better in some state elections. But again, I will categorically state this is not a prediction for all the state elections. Okay, but national wise, it can do good. Number five, the Indian stock market will go up by end of this year, like for every year almost. But there will be volatile behavior. So expect volatility. It will be there, and therefore, if you are doing long term investing, you will succeed. You will make money in the long run. But if you are doing swing trade or especially day trade, you might be in trouble. Okay. So unless you are very experienced and you are able to give the required time, please be very careful and just don't do it because everybody else is doing. Okay. Otherwise, you might lose money like anything. So long term, it will go up, but you have to be patient. And if you have like your own wedding or your son daughter's wedding is there, or you need to cash out money, then you have to do it a bit carefully. And yeah, I would say please take good financial advice and only then make decisions, especially this year. Okay, but if you are in it for long term and you don't have to, and you don't need to withdraw a large sum of money from your corpus, mutual funds or all this, then you are good to, then there's nothing else to worry. Okay. Number six, real estate will go up. Real estate prices specifically this year will go up in tier 2 cities, especially. I see that it will go up 100%. So you can expect a bigger jump compared to the inflation rate for residential. Like generally in India, residential, the property appreciation in general is, like on an average, I am saying pan India, it is around 6%. But now in tier 2, you can expect there will be more growth. And number seven is luxury real estate will boom. So wherever you are seeing luxury real estate, that will actually boom. So there will be boom in residential and especially luxury. This is six and seven. Now I can explain why I am saying all this, but that will be like a very long video. Okay. Especially if you see the sign of Pisces, and Pisces is where Venus gets exalted. Pisces is very important for this year, right? But nonetheless, there are many other reasons. Number eight, geopolitically worldwide, it is going to be a bit intense situation. Okay, so therefore, if you have visa constraints, if you're traveling, and then yeah, just be a bit aware if you're traveling to like sensitive areas, like uh, yeah, the Middle East, or in US also now, like Trump has said, he will take Canada, Panama Canal, and Greenland, and all this. So just be a bit aware of how the situation is. And even if you're an NRI and you are traveling to India, those specific periods, which I said already for India, which are not the best, those 70 days and those 32 days, which is there in this video. During those days, if you're traveling, yeah, again, be a bit careful. Okay. Nothing to worry, but yeah, when time is intense, you need to be aware and you have to take care. Okay. Number nine, people will value one-on-one love relationships, and they will actually value genuine connections. Now, nowadays, all these dating apps, like illicit sex is like it's like rampant. Okay. 2024, 2025. But now you will see this year. I'm not saying that all the dating apps will crumble. Already, in my knowledge, this Tinder, Bumble, and all this, they are doing very bad already. So, so therefore, you can see that these apps will be there, but at the end, people will gravitate more towards matchmakers, and people will gravitate more towards like, yeah, like wanting to have genuine connections. Okay, eventually people will do that. You will see that happening from this year itself. Okay. And last but not the least, spiritual communities will do excellent. Okay, Sanatan Dharma will continue to rise, like Mahakumbh this year, fantastic period, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Congratulations and good luck to everybody who is going there. I will not be able to make it, unfortunately, but kudos to all of you who are going. I know so many people have told me that they are going to the Facebook, Instagram DMs. So thumbs up. Have a good time. Pray for the world. Pray for yourself, and pray for me and our exotic astrology community also. All right. So if so, in summary, this year is a year of finding yourself, trying to find your individual area, your expertise, things that you love, is to make genuine connections and elevate your consciousness spiritually. And be careful with the stock market. Long term, it goes up, but it will be extremely volatile. So, traders who are doing trading, be very, very, very careful. All right. God is there with you all the time. Just look to Him and you will find Him. Thank you so much. Jai Siya Ram.